If you're interested in processing your own lumber with a chainsaw mill, then you've come to the right place. In this 7-part video series, I'll share with you an overview of chainsaw milling gear and techniques, which will hopefully give you some motivation to get started with milling yourself. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a great accessory for your Alaskan mill, the Granberg Roller Bracket. As much fun as it is to process your own lumber with a chainsaw mill, it can be a heck of a lot of work, especially if you're tackling a big job and you're going to be milling all day long. Thankfully though, Granberg makes a number of accessories for your Alaskan mill that can make the job much easier, faster, and much more enjoyable. One of those accessories, which I highly recommend and also did a recent video about, is Granberg's Alaskan winch system. Along with the winch, and also using a good sharp ripping chain on your Alaskan mill, another accessory which can really speed up the milling process is the roller bracket. The roller bracket contacts the log sooner than the stock bracket and makes for a much smoother start to your cut, as it also reduces the friction and feed pressure, especially on larger logs. The roller bracket easily replaces the stock clamping bracket on your mill, and it installs very quickly and easily. The roller bracket will fit any size G778 Granberg Alaskan mill. However, it's not designed for use on the G77 small log mill. In the next video in this series, we'll take a look at the topic of using a ripping chain for your chainsaw milling efforts, so stay tuned. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel, click on the link in the video description below to find out more.